Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you today. Today is my free daily signal for Tuesday, November 17th, 2019. And the signal I'm going to share with you for today is EURCHF, EURCHF, Euro Swiss franc. Okay? And if you look here on the 30-minute chart, which I base all my signals, my signal service on, it's showing a strong sell. But it has shot up quite a bit in the last 10 minutes or so. I've been kind of just eyeing this, right? So it looks like it wants to keep going up, but that's okay. So what we do in this type of situation is we do not place a sell trade right away, okay? Because chances are the moment you place a sell trade, it's going to keep shooting up. And you're going to be very, very angry because your trade is going to go more and more negative, okay, as it goes up. So all we have to do in this type of situation is we look at our immediate uptrend, okay, and we go here and draw a trend line, and we show that this is going up right here, okay, and we see all these points right here that pretty much line up on this trend line, okay. So this right here will identify our uptrend, and whenever you have the price going up or you have a sell signal like this, you need to find a support line, okay? Whenever you have an uptrend, you find the support line, okay? If you have a downtrend, all right, you find the resistance. But in this case, we're going to find the support, which is right here in the red color, okay? Now, all we have to do is wait for this price to drop two candles below. Once you have the second candle to break this trend line, drop below this trend line, then that is the time you want to place a sell trade. Also, one thing we can point out is kind of hard to say, but let's just say right here is the final top. Okay, I don't know for sure. Okay, but what we have here is what's called a rising wedge pattern. Okay, and the price will more than likely get trapped. It'll form another candle. It might be another hour or two actually before this breaks. But you're going to see this price, the next two candles, right up and down inside of here, in this area right here. And the price is going to get trapped inside this region. Okay? And then eventually it's going to break out. Now, it could shoot up even more. Okay, I don't know. You know, nobody can predict the future in Forex, but what we can do is wait for this trend line to break. And like I said, once it breaks, that would be the perfect time to sell. And all you have to do is just wait for the opposite arrow to form to close the trade. Or you can set a take profit. How I typically do this is draw a Fibonacci from the last arrow up to the current arrow, okay? And the 23.6 right here, if you want, you can place a pin in order, a sell stop, and this would be typically where the price is going to break at, all right? And what I would do is I would probably wait, for me personally, I would just wait until this trend line breaks, and then set a take profit at around the 50 level right here, okay? And that will give you probably about, I don't know how many pips, about 200 pips roughly, okay? So that's some pretty decent profit, you know, for really not having to do any work other than just waiting for this trend line to break, okay? So I just want to go ahead and get this video out to you right now. As you can see, it's fighting up and down right now, and it'll probably be another hour or two before this trend line breaks. So as the time of this video, you got plenty of time to get in on this trade, okay? So just let me know if you have any questions or comments by reaching out to me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook account. Also, there is a link below for my private Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so. There's a link below in the description of the video for my my private Facebook group. Join that, and that way you can post any questions or comments in my Facebook group, okay? So let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.